You searched how to buy shares of London Stock Exchange. London Stock Exchange is a major market operator listed on LSE PLC under the ticker LSEG.L. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker LSEG.L to find the London Stock Exchange listing. Select the result that matches the company name to locate the correct share. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent movement. Double-check the name and ticker to confirm it is the correct London Stock Exchange stock. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm to place a market or limit order. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After your trade is executed, the position will appear in your portfolio view. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform further.